Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the listen feature in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application on your phone. So if you do not already have it downloaded, open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application, install it. After installing it and opening it up, the homepage is going to look like this. From here we can get started browsing all the books and articles that are recommended to us. You can go and take a look at a post by other people that you're following and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to use the listen feature. The listen feature allows you to convert bite-sized insights, book summaries, and articles into audio, enabling hands-free learning while commuting, working out, or relaxing. So here in the bottom right corner, you have the create option from where you can get started creating a new book, but you also have a podcast option to go ahead and add a podcast link that you can turn into idea. And in the explore page, you can get started exploring new podcasts. So as you can see, you can dive deeper into podcasts by clicking on them, and this is going to enable you to use the listen feature. From here, you can listen to podcasts from curators that you're following. So this is how to get started getting into the podcast by clicking the follow option in the upper right corner. This is also going to go ahead and recommend you podcasts alongside books on the home page of your application, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.